Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho Payroll. First, sign up for a new Zoho Payroll account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, you will complete your organization's profile by entering crucial business details like your company name and address. Then, configure your company's pay schedule, choosing your preferred pay frequency, such as bi-weekly or monthly. This initial setup ensures your payroll system is tailored to your specific operational needs from day one, making future processes smooth and efficient. Now let's add your employees. You will input each team member's personal and employment information, ensuring all details are accurate. This includes their name, contact information, and date of joining. Next, define their compensation structure, detailing their salary, hourly rate, and any benefits they receive. Finally, specify their tax information and any recurring deductions, such as health insurance premiums or retirement contributions. This step is crucial for precise payroll calculations and compliance with tax regulations for every individual. Moving on to tax and compliance, you will set up your company's tax details, including federal and state identification numbers. This ensures proper tax reporting. Then, configure various pay components such as different types of earnings, deductions, and reimbursements. Zoho Payroll offers flexibility to customize these to fit your business. Finally, carefully review and confirm all compliance settings to ensure your payroll adheres to all relevant labor laws and tax regulations. This proactive approach helps avoid potential penalties and ensures smooth operations. The final step is to review and process your payroll. Before running payroll, carefully review all the details for accuracy, including employee hours, earnings, and deductions. This critical check helps prevent errors. Once confirmed, you can run your first payroll, and Zoho Payroll will automatically calculate net pay and taxes. Afterward, generate and efficiently distribute pay stubs to your employees, providing them with a clear breakdown of their earnings. This streamlined process ensures timely and accurate compensation for your entire team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.